For years, I've read and researched hundreds of scientific articles on nutrition and healthy living, and most importantly, I've tested what I've learned in my own life. And I claim, consuming the right food in the wrong way can be worse than not consuming it at all, because it both wastes your time and leads you to incorrect conclusions. For instance, everyone says garlic lowers cholesterol, but did you know that letting it sit for 10 minutes after chopping can quadruple its effectiveness? Or are you aware of how steaming broccoli, instead of boiling it, preserves its cancer-fighting compounds? Here are the facts no one talks about. Consuming avocado with olive oil increases the absorption of its antioxidants by up to 7 times. Did you know that eating cooked beet is much more effective than consuming it raw? Because the cooking process facilitates the body's absorption of the substance called betalain. Lemon water, hot or cold? The answer, lukewarm. Because excessive heat kills vitamin C, while cold water slows down its absorption by the body. Choosing a banana based on its ripeness is a science in itself. A green banana contains more prebiotics, while a ripe banana provides quicker energy. So, why is no one talking about these details? Because most content is satisfied with superficial information. Yet the real benefit is hidden in these small but critical details. Remember, consuming the right food in the wrong way is a waste of money and time. Moreover, when you don't get the result you expect, you give up saying, "It didn't work anyway." That is the real tragedy. That's why I've researched and tested the consumption methods that will maximize the benefit of every food, and I've prepared a guide for you, which you can access via the link in the description. Now you will learn not just what to eat, but how to eat it, because health is hidden in the details. See you in the next video. Stay healthy.